major and their job scope around the world. I hope this video will be helping material for students to choose right profession in agriculture sector. Before going to start video, please subscribe my channel and watch the video till end.
Okay, at the top we will discuss about agronomy major. Basically, agronomy dealing with field crop production and soil management. So being an agronomist, where you can find job. Here is a list of prominent field related to agriculture where you can find job if you choose agronomy major. So first of all, here is academic job. Academic job means you can work as a professor, as a lecturer, as a teaching assistant in a university or in agriculture college. Research mean you can work in different research institution, laboratories as a research assistant, research associate, or any research work you can do with agronomy major. Similar crop production and management sector, you can go field which sport agronomist. This point is important. Which field sport agronomy inside agriculture, like plant breeding, soil scientist, they need agronomist help. So there are plenty of field where they need agronomist support. Similar pesticide companies you can work, seed companies, farm manager, seed certification authority, fertilizer company you can work, agriculture consultant you can work, a natural resource manager you can work, agriculture field management, irrigation department, agriculture extension department, soil testing laboratories. As I said, agronomy need different field need agronomy help. So soil testing laboratory basically is a soil science major, but agronomy dealings with soil management, so you can also work with them.
Next one is plant breeding and genetics, also known as PBG. We all know agriculture science used to improve the genetic potential of plant. Why we need to improve genetic potential of plant? Because it's directly related to improve the crop production. So if you have choose plant breeding and genetic major where you can find job, here is a list of a prominent field where you can find job. Here first one is academic institutional job, as we discussed previously. In university as a professor, as a lecturer, as a teaching assistant you can work, and plant breeding center in government sector. In plant breeding center you can work. Even now private seed companies have their own plant breeding center where you can work as a research scientist, as a research associate, whatever is according to your education background you can work. And similar genetic engineering firm at high level, at biotechnology level you can work. And different agriculture department, government agriculture department you can work, biotechnology company you can work. And crop, if you want to work abroad, then biotechnology company is very suitable for any candidate to work in this sector. Crop plantation facilities work. Similar as an agriculture scientist in plant breeding and genetics you can work. Seed companies and sales and marketing you can work. And similar as a agriculture consultant you can work. Next one is agriculture soil science. We know soil being a natural resources regarding plant growth, known as a soil science. Without soil there is no concept of life, there is no concept of plants and crops. So if you have choose agriculture soil science major where you can find job, here is a list of prominent job where you can find. First one, similar as a academic job, you can work in a university as a professor, lecturer, or teaching assistant. Research institution as a research assistant, research associate, or research consultant you can work. Soil conservation department, farm manager as you can work, conservation planner, landscape, horticulture, and soil. Basically, in construction sector, you can work in landscaping sector as a basic. This is job basically for horticulture, but you can also scientists can also work in this sector. Environmental consultants firms you can work, fertilizer companies, crop consultants, different agencies you can work, agriculture resources management, soil testing service, own business, private service to solve soil salinity and irrigated land problems. Okay, guys, next one is horticulture. We all know that agriculture dealing with garden crops, generally fruit, vegetables, and ornamental plants, known as horticulture. Horticulture basically a vast field of agriculture, including floriculture, floriculture, pomology, and landscaping. So we will see the job opportunity being an horticulture major. First of all, here as an opportunity as a landscaper designer. Landscaper designer have a high demand abroad, even in your country and abroad, especially in Middle East. It have big market. Horticulture, you can work as a horticulture inspector. You can work as a nursery staff like a nursery assistant, assistant manager, manager, or other worker. You can do job there. Ornamental horticulture, culturist. You can work is similar. You can work in research institution regarding floriculture, floriculture, pomology, landscaping. So you can work over there. Academic institution, you can work as a professor, lecturer, teaching assistant, and other in university or in any college. Regarding plant protection, guys, you know horticulture and plant pathology have and entomology have a great correlation. So horticulturists can also work in plant protection industry. Farm production manager, especially vegetable farm production. You can work over sales and marketing regarding ornamental horticulture and similar park protection authority, botanical garden, and horticulture consultancy firm. You can work. Our next one is plant pathology. Plant disease caused by pathogen and environmental condition known as plant pathology, also known as phytopathology. So today we will discuss about if you have choose plant pathology major where you can find job. First of all, quarantine department. Quarantine department, there is some trade regarding a plant, different trader buy plant from other country for nursery purpose, for medicinal purpose, any other purpose they need plant. So at the airport, there is an inspection unit known as quarantine department at airport and seaport. You can find a job and work over there as a quarantine department officer. Similar agrochemical company. Agrochemical, if you say that plant pathology is specialized in agrochemical company, that is very correct. Seed and plant production company. Because seed production company also need a plant pathologist, so especially seed pathology, so you can work with them. Tissue culture laboratories can work, diagnostic laboratories you can work, and botanical garden and biotechnology fair you can work. Private practices, you can open your own clinic as a phyto clinic, you can work. Similar nursery and garden center as a pathologist. Lawn and landscaping maintenance firm, environment protection agency you can work. Academic job as a professor, as a lecturer, as a associate you can work, and plant protection research institution you can work. So guys, here is the end of first part of this video. In next video we will discuss about entomology job scope, agriculture extension job scope, agriculture biotechnology job scope, and agriculture economics and environmental science. So please stay tuned for next video, and if you like the video, subscribe my channel and like the video.